with abdominal massage. Our belly has abdominal cavity with diaphragm at the bottom and diaphragm at the top and at the bottom. In between our internal organs. And we will do today a massage that relaxes the diaphragms, increases the volume of your breath, and relaxes all internal organs. Our belly is often called second brain because it has a lot of nerves that send information to the main brain. So, first thing, just find your navel and then start massaging area from the bone of your pelvis towards the navel. And I'm going to show you in a sitting position, but you can do it either in a seated position or in a laying position. It's up to you. So from the bone of your pelvis towards the navel, diagonally. Laying on your back with your knees bent is much easier. And you can feel tightness, how deep you go. And just breathe. Inhale through your nose. And sometimes you can exhale through your mouth. And if you find some tight area, you can push into it and take few breaths. As you inhale, you gently resist with your fingers into your belly. And as you exhale, you move deeper into it. You can even lean forward if you're in a seated position and resist with your thighs, or sometimes it can be a chair or a table. And then move to the bottom, towards the pubic bone. So our six-pack muscle is connected to the pubic bone. So we massage this area, also preferably from the bottom towards navel, but you can also feel. How does it feel? Maybe you want just to pull the skin. So you just pull the skin, or maybe you want to grab the skin and do light movements like squeezing it. You can combine this type of massages. We go to the diagonal direction. You can stay on each direction longer if it feels right. And then you can also move out kind of underneath your bone. There is iliopsoas muscle that is going from the lower back through the belly into the pelvis. So this massage, like the bone of pelvic bone, and we go deep inside it, we massage in this way our iliopsoas muscle that is often the reason of lower back pain or tension. So also that's possible just to squeeze and pull and then move from side to side, up and down to release adhesions. Okay? And then we go from the side to the center. This massage can last 1 minute, which is already really great, but it can also be longer, for about half an hour. And we move again diagonally right up apart, and this is already our liver and the gallbladder. Usually we can find location of the gallbladder from the breast, center of the breast towards the navel, and a little bit closer, like 2 fingers closer to the central line. And this area, if it feels tight, it's nice just to hold it for a while and breathe into it. Or there is also an option to lay down on the left side and massage in this way. It helps to go deeper into the liver, especially if it feels tight. Okay, and then we also try to move it towards navel, diagonal direction. And of course, solar plexus. It's quite a sensitive part with lots and lots of nerves, and this is #1 area that reacts to stress on physical level. And we can also hold it. We can lean and press our thighs into the wrists, so we have kind of support of the arms. And breath. Inhaling, we kind of push fingers into the belly and belly into the fingers. And as we exhale, we release and go deeper. And maybe we make very tiny movements with fingers to release tension. Also, this is a great area to pull the skin away, because these are connection of the diaphragm area, and not just the front but also the side ribs. And there are certain more sensitive parts of it which we can grab, pull and hold, especially sides here on the back, lower back. Also a little bit massaging them with fingers, or just pulling and breathing or slightly moving. We go further towards the stomach, and we also move it towards the navel. And if you had recently breakfast, then most probably you will hear it. Okay, and side, the bowel. We move it also towards the center. And then what you can do, just moving your one arm to the other side, one arm, second arm, or just with fingers or with the bottom part of your palm, moving your belly from one side to the other. And also you can just give yourself massage the way you feel, and wherever you feel hard parts, you just hold it for a while, or give a very gentle massaging sensations, and never let yourself feel pain. So it has to be really very, very subtle, and also observe difference that you've created and how you are creating. Then grab some piece of skin, maybe very small, maybe very small, and then move it up and down. So from the central line up, and then down, and then a little bit to the side, and again up, and then again down, and also side, the waist, the oblique muscles. You can also do it a little bit longer, or just a little bit, depending on how much time you have. And also do the other side. And if you do it at least a couple of minutes in the morning, you will start morning relaxed. Okay. And then you can just massage your belly a little bit. And you can also pay some attention to your navel. Usually navel depicts a situation of our internal organs. And start with pulling your navel up, maybe a little bit massaging it, maybe breathing. And then you can do again diagonally to the left, staying here a little bit. Sideways, diagonally to the left, down, and then vertically down, and the other side, like a clock. 1, 3, 6, all the numbers, actually all the numbers. And if you find some sensitive points, like for example, if you press one point, it is related to certain organ in your abdominal cavity, you might feel like a thread inside your belly. You can stay here a little bit longer. And then you massage your navel, just moving your finger through it. And it's great to do also with the oil, especially warm oil is great. And then you do also outside, like outer circle, and you breathe. It's a great massage also to do before you go to bed, to release all stress you had during the day before sleep. Also, I mean, healthy stress, like positive emotions, they also create some reactions of our body, and it's good to make our body really soft, really soft. Okay. Thank you very much. I wish you a very relaxed and smiling tummy.